friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code for Progress. So today I am going to explain you about platform dependency and platform independency. So first let us see what is platform. So in programming world, what is the meaning of platform? So it is a combination of software component and a hardware component. So here we can take software component as an operating system and hardware component as microprocessor. So for operating system we can take examples like Windows, Unix, and microprocessor like processors we can take i3, i7 and so on. So the combination of both operating system and microprocessor we will tell it as a platform. Okay, so now let us see what platform dependency and platform independency. We have platform dependent programming languages like C, C++, and platform independent programming language we have Java. Okay, so let us see how C behaves like a platform dependent programming language. Here we have one machine. Okay, so we will see two cases. This is case 1. Here we have one machine or a computer in which we have here a hard disk will be there. Here let us take this as a RAM and this as a processor. Okay, so let us take i3 processor and the operating system is Windows. Okay, so this is one computer. So here we have a source file. So the file name is add. So in C we will write the file name as .c file, right? So this is add.c, and in hard disk if anything is in high level language then we will call that file as source file. Okay, so this source file is given to the compiler. So this compiler will convert the high level language to a machine level language. So in hard disk if any file is in machine level language then it is called as object file. So it is add.obj. This is object file. So during compilation there is one more information is added, that is on which platform it is compiling. Windows i3 processor. So this is the platform on which it is compiling. So this information will be added to the file. Okay, so then linking loader will link the file and load the file onto the RAM. Okay, linking loader will link the file and load the data onto the RAM. So then in RAM, so there two checks will be performed. That is the operating system or the software component at the time of compilation and at the time of execution OS should be same. Okay, and also the processor at the time of compilation and at the time of execution microprocessor should be same. So only then the RAM will give the data to the processor and processor will give the output. Otherwise, if any mismatch is there, then there is no execution. There is no execution of the program. Okay. So this is how C is a platform dependent programming language. Okay. So let us see case 2. This is case 2. So here we have two machines, okay, machine 1 and this is machine 2, okay. So in machine 1 we have what? High level language, that is source file add.c. It is given to compiler and it is producing machine level language. So let us take this as Windows and i3 processor. Okay, this machine is of Windows operating system and i3 processor. So we have one more machine that is of Unix operating system and i3 processor. Okay, Unix operating system and i3 processor. So here source file is converted to machine level language, that is object file. So here additional information will be added, that is it is compiling on Windows and i3 processor. Okay, so these two computers are connected. These two machines are connected to each other. So now what we will do, we will take this object file and give this object file to the second machine, okay, the second computer which is connected to it. So here machine level language. So here we have taken this object file, okay. So now it is of what? Windows and i3 processor, okay. So it is compiled, like during compilation it additional information is added, that is Windows and i3 processor. So here we have a RAM, okay. So linking loader will load this data onto the RAM. So in RAM two checks will be performed. So during compilation OS is Windows and at the time of execution OS is Unix, okay. And what about the processor? Processors are same, i3 and i3. So now OS is different, okay. So OS is different, execution will not happen. Okay, so this is how C is platform dependent.